Hi, Ben Packard here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the ELMO portable projector. The setup you see here in slide 9 is what my workstation currently looks like. I do have my ELMO plugged into my laptop via the USB port, which is then in turn also connected to a power source. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be pulling up ImageMate in just a second, and we'll be able to see what I have planned. So let's go ahead and exit out of there. And we're going to go ahead and start off by opening up ImageMate. ImageMate is a free program needed to run ELMO, and you can go ahead and find a free download on page 6. So you can see now that this is a live image here from ImageMate. We're going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger here. Move the menu over. Now it's important to note that the menu you see here is the same menu on the operating panel on the actual ELMO, so you can either do it here on the computer or physically push the buttons on the ELMO itself. But we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the document camera here. So right now, this is what would be projected onto your smartboard or your projector screen, whatever you may have. So I just want to go ahead and go through a few of the features of the ELMO. So first things first, I have my piece of paper here, and I want to go through just a few things. First things first, over here we do have zoom. You can go ahead and zoom in on whatever you are writing or drawing, and then conversely there's a zoom out as well. This is about as far as it zooms out. I also want to make sure I point out the brightness, which is very important. You can go ahead and adjust the brightness using the menu here, making it brighter, or you can also make it darker, of course. It's also important to note that there is an actual lamp button on the ELMO, so I can go ahead and just hit that, and it will brighten it up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and go back. There's also a reset option here. You can reset the brightness to where it originally was. So we're going to go ahead and just leave this just like this for right now. There's a couple other really cool features on here. There is a focus for when you're kind of going a little bit more up close, and then there's also far focus as well that you can go ahead and use. Just a couple other things. With the ELMO, you do also have the option of flipping the picture using the control panel on the front. So I can just click this button here, and just like that, we have the image reversed. Click it again, it'll go back. You can also freeze the image. So if I wanted to go ahead and if I wanted to continue drawing my little friend here, I could hit the button and it'll actually freeze the picture. And if you hit the button again, it will go back to everything you have done so far. So pretty cool there. There's also a menu button that you can use for a few other settings as well, and just hitting the menu again will take you out of that. So I highly recommend getting an ELMO for your classroom. They're relatively cheap and compact, and especially for visual learners, it's really great for them. It's a great tool for them to use. I know the art teacher in my school uses it quite a bit, and yeah, it's a wonderful tool. So, thanks for watching.